The Reggae Boys should by now be touching down in Saudi Arabia ahead of Saturday's international friendly against that country.
It will be the Reggae Boys' sternest test since the rebuilding process started. This, as many of the players included have never played in the Middle East. But regardless of that, the boys are ready for the task and the chance to continue making a name for themselves against the world number 53 ranked Saudi Arabia team.
Well, it's always a good to get this kind of experience. I'm looking forward to this one. As you said, first time going to Saudi Arabia. I think it will be a good one.
Cavaliers midfielder Siobhan Marsh has been around the national team before, but is yet to make his debut. This time, he's hoping that his hard work will secure some minutes.
You know, what you put in is what you get out, and you know, with hard work, it even beat the talent, because even then talent can bring you such far, but with the hard work behind it, it brings you even further. So I'm grateful for the opportunity and hoping for the best.
Striker Fabian Reid, who marked his debut with a goal against Trinidad and Tobago but missed out on the Canadian game, wants a chance to return to the score sheet.
Yeah, I always want to score because I decide in my mind, so every time I get a national card, I'm supposed to want to score a goal because that is national team. So you always want to score for your national for your country. So it's a great feeling to score for your national country, for your country.
Similar to the players, assistant coach Jerome Wade sees the game as one for all to gain experience.
Going to Saudi Arabia, this is a good experience, not only for players but for coaches as well. And you know, when we get opportunity like this, we have to make use of it. You know, we have a bunch of youngsters with senior players that will be making this trip, and we have to continue to get more games to ensure that these players get opportunities.
Jamaica, who are currently ranked 6-1 in the world, has played Saudi Arabia 3 times, winning 1, losing 1 and drawing the other. Reporting for TVJ Sports, I'm Keon Rayner.